RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 15IMH05 laptop. Thank you, Sir King, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 15IMH05 laptop underwent a complete maintenance and performance improvement procedure, which included a HyperX Fury 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz RAM upgrade and a thorough deep cleaning service. These steps were performed to enhance the laptop's multitasking capability, improve gaming performance, restore optimal cooling efficiency, and extend the device's overall lifespan. The service began with a careful disassembly of the laptop's bottom cover to access the internal components. Anti-static precautions were followed throughout the process to ensure the safety of delicate electronic parts. Once inside, the RAM slot was inspected and prepared for the installation of the HyperX Fury 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz memory module. This upgrade increased the laptop's total system memory, allowing it to handle more applications simultaneously and improving overall system responsiveness. With the additional RAM, the laptop can now support smoother gameplay, reduced lag, and more efficient performance during multitasking or when running memory-intensive software. Following the RAM upgrade, the laptop underwent a comprehensive deep cleaning procedure, essential for maintaining proper airflow and cooling. The internal components, especially the cooling fans, heat sink, and exhaust vents, were found to have accumulated dust and debris over time, which can significantly affect heat dissipation. Using compressed air, anti-static brushes, and careful cleaning methods, all dust buildup was removed from the cooling system and motherboard. The cooling assembly was also disassembled to clean the heat sink fins thoroughly and to replace the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Fresh, high-quality thermal compound was applied to improve heat transfer and reduce operating temperatures. This step greatly improves system stability and helps prevent thermal throttling during heavy workloads or gaming sessions. Once the cleaning and upgrades were completed, all parts were reassembled securely. The laptop was then powered on and subjected to performance tests and thermal monitoring. The system successfully recognized the new RAM, and the cooling performance showed marked improvement. With lower temperatures, quieter fan operation, and smoother system performance, the laptop is now capable of handling demanding tasks more efficiently. RAM upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.